Can I treat an infected belly button at home?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to discuss an important and perhaps unexpected topic: infected belly buttons. Our belly button, or navel, can sometimes get infected due to improper hygiene, surgery, or body piercing. But can you treat an infected belly button at home? The answer is yes, with some qualifications. It's important to note, however, that severe infections or infections that don't improve with home treatment should always be assessed by a healthcare professional.
What are the symptoms of a belly button infection?
The first step to treating an infection is recognizing it. Common symptoms of a belly button infection include redness, pain or tenderness, swelling, unusual discharge, bad odor, fever. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's a sign that you might have an infection.
Can you treat a belly button infection at home?
The simple answer is yes. You can often treat a belly button infection at home. This, of course, depends on the severity of the infection. Mild infections may be effectively managed with good hygiene and over-the-counter treatments. However, if your symptoms are severe, or they persist despite your efforts, it's important to seek medical attention.
How to treat a belly button infection at home?
Here are some steps you can follow to treat your belly button infection at home. 1. Clean the area. Use warm water and mild soap to gently clean your belly button. Make sure to pat it dry thoroughly afterward, as moisture can promote bacterial growth. 2. Apply a topical antiseptic. Apply an over-the-counter antiseptic cream to help kill bacteria. 3. Use a warm compress. A warm compress can help reduce pain and swelling. 4. Keep it dry and clean. This can prevent further infection and help the area heal. Remember, these steps are for mild infections. If your symptoms do not improve or worsen after a few days of home treatment, consult a healthcare provider. Treating an infected belly button at home can be a straightforward process for mild infections. However, it's always important to listen to your body and seek professional medical help when necessary. We hope this guide has been helpful in navigating the basics of home treatment for a belly button infection. Stay safe and healthy.